Alright, let's just take a little note of what we got. We got a 3000 watt hub delivered today from Zsigmonds on Facebook, and yeah, 3000 watt hub, so that means continuous. These are important. I don't know what they are. I've never actually done a rear hub. Yeah, we'll figure that out. Apparently this is the smart version, so it connects to your phone, and that's how it's got to self-learn. I think the only issue we might have is mounting the controller, but I've got Jubilee clips and fucked in a fucking big fat tie wraps. So we'll see how we go, but you can feel all this weight's going to go on the bike, you know what I mean? All this weight's on the bike, it's like, wow. It's like the bafang's there, and it glitched out, you know what I mean, so it's out of action for a while. So the weight of the bafang compared to this is nothing at this. Well, we'll see. So controller, throttle, all that jazz. I've got as far as I need to get to today. I fitted the wheel. I think it's fairly accurate. It's not off centre, that cap's on. So the tassel things I put pointing down. I noticed I had to put this thing off my derailleur on here to stabilise it. So luckily it Allen keyed off, otherwise I would have been looking for a weird part. The brake rubs, but it's so close to being in alignment, but I'm not really sure. It's really hard to do that. I'm not mechanically very good at things. I mean, that's not bad, is it? But it's not free. And this wire here, I'm like, fucking hell, you know. I bet some prefer to take it like that, or some prefer to have it there. You know what I mean? It's just, I just find this, from an electrical point of view, to have a lot of potential to fuck up. And that's your entire hub, because that's a fucking wiring loom job. I can do a wiring loom job, but I'm not gonna do it. Holy shit. So I reckon the controller could go on there with a bracket, or it'll definitely go on there, because my battery's underscore. The 72 volter won't be, unless I get a box 72 volter, because I've got 4 bolts. I got 1, 2, they're behind there, and 1 there. But if I can get a 72 volter, I think you're pushing the fucking clearance, but so for the back brake, is there anything I can get, like an extender, or make the disc bigger, so that I get a more tidier, you know, the brake ain't rubbing at all. I love disc brakes, but they're just such faffy little bastards, you know what I mean? So I mean, some of you guys might be able to just do that in your sleep, but me, I'm like, it is out by quarter mil. We shall not rest until France is conquered. So yeah, that's it. I'm guessing yellow, blue, green. Control out of there. Match up to yellow, blue, green here. So the power goes into the controller, then it's dispersed through these fat boys here. XT90. I don't know if that's a male or female. It looks like, technically it has a penis, so I guess it's a male. So the female receives it, so I'll have to get a female one of them. Snip that. Snip that, because that wire's fat enough for my current battery. And then trim the wires back and put the connector on, and it'll just be red to red, black to black, as far as I know. So tomorrow, hopefully I'll be able to do more work. The Anderson connectors should arrive unless my bank spazzes and I have to ask my dad to order me something again till it's sorted. But Anderson connectors, mounting the controller, should be tomorrow's main job. So I don't know. That's it, man. That's as far as I got. Have a good day, dudes.